Hi everyone, my name is Adel Marvelous Kumalo, and today we're at the Ruwa Innovation Hub where the Android Development App Cohort started on Monday. And the learners here have been learning tirelessly and working tirelessly on their projects for the past 5 days. And here is what they have to say about their experience.
My experience at Ruwa Innovation Hub has been an exciting journey from web development to mobile app development. So here with me, I have a mobile app that I started designing from Monday. I had a struggle to make this work. So this app, what it does, essentially, we want to use it to buy and sell electronic gadgets. So you first create your user here, and this is stored into a database, and then you get a verification code. When you get the verification code, you verify your account. I have an account that's already verified. Click sign in, and then here this is just a wireframe that shows you the different devices that are available for sale. So all these are mostly refurbished devices that we'll be selling. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arina Mashanda, and I've been working on this application. I named it My Wallpaper. I've been working on it since Tuesday until yesterday tonight, and then I made my final version of it. I've been overcoming some difficulties in developing it, but now I've developed it. It's working pretty very fine with no glitches or crashes. Present it to you. This is the application that I have designed. So when you open the application, it will give you an option or a button to choose a wallpaper. After you choose it, you open the button. It will display pictures that I have put in the system of the application so that you can choose the one that you want to use. So at this moment, I'm going to choose, let's say, this one. Then this button will allow me to apply the wallpaper, and then I have to choose if I'm going to put it on home screen or lock screen, and it is on fit, where it is going to fit the whole screen, or a crop, and then it will just crop a little bit the picture and then put it on the home screen. So this time I'm going to put it on home screen fit, then it will apply. It will take just 2 seconds to apply it so that it will change. As you have seen that after it is successfully launched, it exits the application, then it will see it has launched the application, the new home screen wallpaper, and that's my development as a beginner. Thank you.
So my name is Sean Ruzu, and I've been working on this FBN technology application. It's a digital marketing application. So this application, it helps a person to contact the company. So when you press call us, it takes you to the tab call log. Then when you press Instagram, it takes you to the Instagram account page for this company. So that's how this application works. Also, you can visit the website and the WhatsApp or even email the technology.
My name is Mbena Shenseriwa. So I'm doing this training by BOOST company. It's Android Development training. I started on Monday and today is Friday. We have been doing coding. We learned about creating applications. So it was a challenging issue, but then I enjoyed it. Since I'm someone who has got background in humanities only, this is my first time experiencing computers, and I have managed to create an application. And I was inspired by the fact that when I saw the advert, I was inspired by the fact that I had an idea of a project. I wanted to start to create an application for which targets youth employment and unemployment and youth empowerment. So I have managed to do that. My application is called Skilling,
My name is Tavazwa Mtemaken, and I joined the Android App Development Program. So here I made an application that can help workers who get paid based on time rate. So the prototype is for core industries. So what the worker would do, they would put their phone number in on this input box, and then they start their shift. So automatically their wage is going to be generated based on the hours they are at work. And then when they end their shift, the total amount will be right there. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Tabuzwa Wagoti. I joined the BOOST program recently, I think just about a week. So I've been learning about Android development, and I've been developing an app like everyone else. So this application helps with taking scores. It's mainly for helping with sports at school. So here it's for basketball. So you can see the timer, how you start, pause, reset, and here you can enter the team names on the point. And let's say the experience which I got from BOOST was very excellent. I got the basic details, but I can now help myself learn more about coding and developing apps just from here at BOOST. And also they provide free internet, which helps us learn more on our own rather than relying on our lecturers and teachers.
My name is Lisa Mplanga, and I came for the Android development course. So from Monday, I've been trying to create an application. So what my application does is it's a TB screening app, and I use it to, the patient can access it from their phone, and once they get in, they're able to sign in. Since I've already been using the application, I have my credentials available there. So I just enter my email and password. So for a user to be able to sign up, they're supposed to enter their details, that is name, age, the place of residence, and their email and a unique password. And then after you sign up, you then are able to sign in to the application. So as you can see, the application gives you welcome remarks, and then from there you can start your assessment. So because TB has a lot of things that people have to look at before they can say this patient has TB. So it starts from detecting the symptoms, then from the symptoms, whether or not the person is in a place where TB is highly prevalent, and if they've gotten a TB scan, and if they have other parameters like HIV or abnormal chest X-ray. So as you're entering your details, it's able to detect what kind of risk level you're at. And if you save the record, you're able to also see history of where you've placed the record, and it's also able to analyze whether or not your risk at any particular given time, you enter your details.
Here at the Ruwa Innovation Hub, we have quite a number of programs running. Currently, we just finished the Android Development Cohort, and it was a 5-day cohort where we started off at basic coding, and by the end of day 5, we had learners who were actually able to build their prototypes of Android applications. And this is an open invite for other interested youth in coding. If you have no knowledge or you have basic skills but you have an idea, we can work on it here at the Ruwa Innovation Hub.